So last week when I was in San Rafael overlanding, I'm using that word now, I've accepted it, overlanding. I heard a noise coming from my front end and I diagnosed it to the front driver's side wheel. That's all I knew. So, been home for almost a week now. And I pulled the wheel off and it was easy to troubleshoot and diagnose. Look what I found. Keep your eye on this right here. Keep your ear on that. It's not much. Look, this was a relatively quiet FJ cruiser until last week or two I noticed this. All right, so I just scheduled with my mechanic to replace the tie rod and do an alignment and let him look at everything else down under. And I asked him about rotating and balancing the tire since I bought it from him. He said they can't do any tire work for months. They are that far booked out. I shit you not. So that's what happens when you got a booming economy in Utah with less than 2% unemployment. Interesting, huh?